We are in Nathan's house. This is Robson. We are about to show you the Blue-Bellied parrot. Nathan will be our instructor for this brief video. Hello, Nathan.
Hello. This is the parrot. We found it struggling for its life in the woods
Oh no.
in Brazil.
Oh no.
Eating rice, beans, and bananas.
We captured it and are now feeding it stuff. And there is Anthony, the guy who so bravely caught the parrot. He's flexing, as you can tell.
No, I'm not.
Yeah! 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 Oh! Jonas Brothers! Yeah!
Oh,
Yeah!
hey, didn't see you there. We're the Jonas Brothers. I'm Kevin,
I'm Joe.
And I'm Nick.
and we're here to talk to you about how to save the Blue-Bellied parrot.
They're very nice species. They're originated from Brazil.
We need to really help them out.
They're dying because they're being replaced by stupid tobacco fields and banana trees.
Also, they're going extinct because of predators and hunters. We need to save them dearly. So you should get involved. Take it over, Nick.
Yes, you really should get involved. This is a serious matter.
So keep on voting
Over here
to save them.
we have
Oh, and we're on iTunes. Vote for us.
a specimen of the parrot right over here in this box to save it. There, it's right there.
I'll show you its
that's
aspects.
The Blue-Bellied parrot we're trying to save.
But it is not blue. It has been harmed by the tobacco companies and the banana fields.
So you should save the Blue-Bellied parrot and get a promise ring.
Anything to add, little Nick?
I think you just about covered it, but
So remember,
So remember,
go with Christ.
save them.
And go
We'll
with Christ.
see you at our next show. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh.
now you're probably wondering, why is Nick not using a guitar? Well, I'll tell you. It's because I'm not touching a guitar until we raise $3 million to donate to the Parrots. Just remember, this is a serious matter. Just like me.
And I'm funny.
And I'm sweet.
Whew, that was safe.
Safe. Just like the Parrots will be when you donate.
Nick,
Pretty nice throw, dude.
Nick, Joe, guess what?
Oh, hey.
What?
We got $3 million to save the Blue-Bellied parrots.
No way.
Thanks to your help, because our fans love us.
I love you, fans. You guys will make us what we are.
You saved the parrots that are from Brazil, dying from their predators.
You
and
saved our
hunters.
careers. Yeah.
And now, because of your donations, we're gonna play a song just for you.
From our new album.
I'm hot, you're cold. You go around like you know who I am, but you don't. You got me on my toes. I'm super lover, and I'm trying to keep from going under. Baby, you don't need to push it harder. 'Cause I'm burning up for you, baby. Come on, girl. I fell so bad, can't hold myself.
I'm Nick.
And I'm Kevin.
And I'm Joe.
And we're the Jonas Brothers.